The Day Building Materials Market in Abuja is a major hub for construction supplies, attracting contractors, developers, and individual homeowners daily. A survey conducted across different sections of the market shows varying prices in both structural and finishing materials. Iron rods, which are essential for structural strength, currently sell at different rates depending on sites. Traders say the prices are influenced by transportation costs and factory production expenses.
Current price now in the market is a little bit higher than previous one. Like for instance, Royal TMT, what you are selling it like 16 be sold at the market. Current price of today, we are selling 19,900 naira. Then 12 we are selling 11,200, while 10 be sold 7,900 naira. Is a little bit higher than previous years.
Back at the tiles section, finishing materials are also experiencing price shifts. From locally made tiles to imported tiles, range different prices depending on quality and design. According to dealers, customers are gradually shifting towards locally manufactured products due to its affordability.
We sell ties here, different products, different categories, and different prices. But first of all, I'll start from the 60 by 60. I'll start from 60 by 60. We have 60 by 60 like Royal Castle. That one we sold it at the rate of 6,500 per square meter. Then 60 by 120 also at the rate of 12,000. We also have wall, as you can see it there. 25 by 40. We also have 30 by 60. So according to the sizes and different with the prices also, because the prices are not the same. Let me start from the 40 by 40, the one that is very common in the market. 40 by 40, I can give you. We are selling 40 by 40. The current price now is 4,800. While the 60 by 60 of it is 6,500. Then the 60 by 120 of it, the bigger size, is 12,000.
Roofing wood and zinc sheets, one of the essentials, have not been exempted from the price changes. Timber sellers attribute current prices to transportation challenges and fuel costs.
Like this one's is Ubuntu ironwood. It's for roofing. All these ones we see here, both this one, mahogany, this one, as well as this is 4 by 12, 4 by 12, and we are selling the rate of this one now. We are selling this one, as we are selling this 10,800 for each timber. That's double timber, 4 by 12. This Ubuntu, this ironwood you see here, that this one they pack here. That one is 15,600 naira. We are selling it for each timber. That's double 4 by 12. All of them, what they here is 4 by 12. So we are carrying it from far places. They come here, big timber. Nasarawa side. Nasarawa side. We are carrying it from there. We are carrying from Sapele. So they come from Sapele. Understand? So that's why you can see this lorry. It's from Sapele now. It comes. Don't they offload? Now is New Year. Market is not like that now. There's no market now. But we thank God, times go on, market will come. Due to the condition of country, the situation of country.
In the finishing accessories section, toilet seats, wash hand basins, and kitchen sinks and accessories are available in various price ranges. Basic toilet seats begin from 100,000 naira, while more sophisticated designs cost significantly more. Traders say buyers are prioritizing function over luxury due to economic realities.
I want to give you our price range for all our goods here. I'm starting with the WCs. WC we have from 50 upward, then we have some for 120, 150, 250. We have even 1.4 million, depending on what you want. Then I want to go for countertops like slab basins. We have slab basins for 45 upward. Then we also have things like cabinets. Our cabinets we have from 180 upwards. We even have the one for 150. So from 180 to 1.7, 1.8. So they are of different categories. Then we have things like sink. We have sink for kitchen. Those ones, we have the complete ones. The complete one will sell from 150 to 350. Then we also have the single ones that doesn't come complete, that you have to get the sink, tap. So that other one we have them for 40,000, the single one, while we have the double for 55, but we have also 65 because that other one is black. Then we have 150, 120 also for the single ones, depending on what you want. Then we have extractors. The extractors, we have extractors for 170. We have also for 200. We have also for 250. We also have for 280, 300, 350. So depending on what you want. We have jacuzzis. We have jacuzzis. They are of different price. We have the one for 1.5 and upward. Then we have bathtubs. Our bathtubs we have from 400,000 upward. Then we have bath mixers. Our bath mixers from 150 upward. Then we have steams like jacuzzi steams that comes with jacuzzi. We have from 1.7 upward.
While market activity remains steady at day, price instability continues to shape purchasing decisions. Experts advise prospective builders to conduct thorough market surveys and make financial provisions for possible fluctuation before commencing construction projects. As we have seen, the cost of building materials continue to fluctuate, impacting both contractors and homeowners. For anyone planning a construction project, staying informed about market trends is now more important than ever.
Visit Housing TV Africa on YouTube and click on the subscribe button. Subscribe to Housing TV Africa to stay updated on latest happenings in Nigeria's housing sector. Follow our social media pages, like and share our posts. On Facebook, Housing TV Africa. On Twitter, Housing TV Africa. Instagram, Housing TV Africa. Join the conversation and keep up with latest housing updates.